Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Take Up. On today's video, I'm going to show you how to create a poll on Telegram. It's very quick and easy, so let's get started. First of all, open the Telegram app on your phone. If you don't have the app yet, you can get it from Google Play Store or the Apple App Store. Once you do that, go ahead, launch the app, then sign in. Now on the screen, you're going to see options like contacts, chats, and settings. Stay on chats, then open the group chat there where you want to create a poll. Now, right above your keyboard on the top left corner, you'll see an attachment sign. Tap on it where you'll find options like gallery, file, location, poll, and contact. Tap on poll. There you can see you can ask questions, add options. Once you do all that, go ahead and select other settings like anonymous voting, multiple answers, quiz mode, etc. Then tap on send from the top right corner. And guys, that's it. That's how you create a poll on Telegram. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, leave a comment, subscribe to our channel, and hit that bell icon. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.